What's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Leaf Base 2 wireless earphones. Okay? I'm really sorry I couldn't do it with my real voice because there was a lot of sound while I was doing the unboxing. Please forgive me and let's go on with the unboxing. So when we open the box, you know what we get? Let's just see what we get. We get a colorful good box. Obviously it's from Leaf. So if you see the package, we have the Leaf logo, Base 2 and wireless earphones in the front. The side we have up to 15 hours of battery life, hands-free mic for calls, and IP into4 sweat proof for workouts. And behind it are some boring details. I would not like to bore you. And serial Google activation supports dual pairing and many other things. What else? Okay. Let's see what we find inside the box. Looks good. When we take it out, the packaging looks nice. I threw the box. Really sorry for that. Leaf. Oh, how to open this? Oh, okay. Good method. Yeah, that's the headphones. What else do we get in the box? So, nothing in that box. We have a packet in which we have the charging cable, the aux cable, and some cards, a manual, and a QR code, whatever that is. I don't need manuals. I'm great. Okay, that's the aux cable, and that's the charging port. Okay, that's cool. I really love the packaging of how it came in the box. It is really comfortable. It is adjustable for any head size. It has written L and R in each side to know which is right and which is left. We have some buttons here. The on, off, volume down button with the LED, USB, aux cable port and mic